Looks like it's starting to do the cleaning process. It's doing both a vacuum and a mop. So it seems like it's in the back. It has these like two round circular mop things, and it needs to prep them before it goes out and about. You can see the LiDAR radar lasers on the camera. You can't see them with your naked eye. Oh wow! All right, that's cool. Whoa. So again, I planted a bunch of things to test. The floors are kind of dirty. They're a little bit dusty and dirty. We haven't really been mopping here with our Shark steam mop. There's little things here and there. Oh, where's my dog hair? We had a small thing of dog hair here. I can't find it now. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of dog hair here. We call them boba bubbles. Holy crap, that's pretty bad down there. It looks really dirty. Well, it's not going to get down there, but I'm going to have to use a vacuum to get those. And then I put some of my hair down here in the kitchen or the bathroom. It already pre-mapped out our layout of our place, so it knows this area, but I don't know what it's gonna do when it hits this carpet throw rug type of thing. Also, we haven't mapped out the bedrooms. Oh, it's cleaning. Cool. All right, let's see how it goes. Oh, there's a bunch of hair there. Oh wow, this is not good. It just kind of smeared things around. Oh, let's move this out of the way. Well, you know, I'm gonna stop it and just have it do the vacuuming first. Whoa, it's getting under there. Wow. All right. Oh, it's pretty thorough there, but so here it didn't map that room out, so I'm kind of interested to see if it does go in there, or if it goes and wow. So it only seems like it goes to the pre-mapped areas. So this thing has a function where you can have it run a map initially to get an idea of what the layout looks, and it uses this map then to create its cleaning routine. So I close the doors to the bedrooms because there's carpet in there, and I really don't think this is going to be good at cleaning carpet, mostly because it needs a really good carpet beater. Most vacuum cleaners have to have good carpet beaters to beat the carpet down and loosen up all the dirt in the air. Oh, okay, so it's going for it. So far, I don't know if it's vacuuming because you see all this. It didn't even pick that up. It just kind of just went over it with the mop. So I'm not sure if it just does mopping first. Anyways, I better get out of its way. It's probably seeing me. It has a little sweeper thing on the side there, and I think it uses that to help sweep things. Okay, here it goes. Let's see now. It just went. Let's see if it picked up any of that stuff. No, but I feel the floor, it's pretty wet, so that's good. But yeah, it did not pick up a lot of this hair. Well, we'll see what happens on the next go around. But so far, I'm really impressed with its navigation abilities. It's really... Oh, I got that. I finally... Nope, it just dragged it. So it really did not clean that up well. Oh, okay, they got it. So that's good. Okay. Well, I better get out of this way because it's using its laser or LiDAR to navigate, and I also have a camera in the front that it uses to kind of detect things in its surrounding. But wow, I don't know. So far I'm pretty impressed. Actually, I don't know how the cleaning ability is, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna turn this off and let it do its thing, and then go over some of what I think are the flaws, or maybe I might just come out being really impressed with this thing. But so far, it's pretty damn amazing. Wow. Okay, so it returned back to its base fairly quickly. It's basically doing its self-cleaning process. It's cleaning the mops. I don't know if it's auto emptying the dust container. I don't hear anything going there, but wow, it's pretty weird. Maybe it's also getting more cleaning solution. I'm not sure. But I did see...
Start cleaning mop pads.
So yeah, it's cleaning its mop pads now. But I did see, like, earlier the mop pad area, and I was like, oh my god, it's just full of hair. So I don't know, that might not be good. I'm gonna take a video of it after when this thing leaves again. Okay, that's pretty incredible. It actually detected the edges of that throw rug and didn't clean it. I think I specified in the cleaning routine not to do carpets. So yeah, it went over it for a little bit, detected that it was carpet, and then backed off and just went around it. Wow, that's amazing. But how well does it clean? Did it pick up the hair that was here? There is some. I really think the cleaning program isn't good. Yeah, there's a bunch of hair still. I think what it should do first is just go around vacuuming and then do the mopping, because when it does the mopping and vacuuming at the same time, it's not going to get everything in one go, and then it'll run the liquid over the hair, and the hair ends up just getting stuck onto the floor. So that isn't great. But there was more hair here earlier, and it did pick up that. So there's only just a little bit of things here and there, hair here and there, and the floor is definitely wet. So you can specify in a cleaning routine to just do vacuuming only, and that, or mopping, but you have to manually do it. You can't say you know, vacuum first and then mop. It doesn't let you do that. You just have to manually select it so that it's only doing one or the other. But overall, I'm just really impressed with its navigation abilities. It's really cool. And it seems to be getting the edges pretty well. I mean, it goes right up along the edge, like, wow. That's pretty incredible. Anyways, so yeah, it did avoid that throw rug down there. And now it's going under. Jeez. Alright, so how is it going to handle? Whoa, it almost went all the way up on. Oh, it looks like you might have got. Wow, it actually even got up on the casters there. Whoa. It's going behind. So whoa, it went right underneath. That's great. Okay, that's good. I wasn't sure if it would get all the way down there. Wow. So earlier when it was mapping, it didn't even go behind this area. It just kind of went here, down here, looked at that, scanned that whole area, and it just left. And I was like wondering, all right, does it know that it's all there to clean? And yes, it does. So that's great. And it's really getting to the edges. Now I'm just kind of interested in how it cleans up all the little paper stuff that I left. And this big piece of dog hair, I kind of feel like it doesn't do that great of a job of doing hair, but we'll see. Alright, it's going down there. It's pretty filthy down there. Where's it going? Just man, I want to see it pick up. Wow. That's interesting. Well, it really gets into the nooks and crannies. Yeah, you can't get there. You should just leave. Okay, hopefully it seems like it really wants to get into all the different nooks and crannies of anything in between. So that's great. It kind of leaves little doubt that it's gonna miss any of the crevices, and I mean it will. It can't fit between the two metal casters. Alright, so it kind of went over some of that paper stuff down there. Did it pick it up? No, it didn't. See? It's still there. And oh well. We'll see how it goes on the next one. I think it's going to probably empty itself pretty soon. Does it get the hair? Okay, wait. Maybe on this next pass. Let's see. Oh, did it get it? Yeah, it got it. Oh, nice. I think it got it. But it did miss some stuff there. It's like those pieces of paper are just stuck to the ground because it mopped it. It mopped it and it did not vacuum it up. So, oh well. Okay, so how well did it really clean? I see stuff like this still here, and there was hair kind of didn't get picked up here, but it actually picked it up. Is that here? No. Overall, I mean, it seemed like it cleaned pretty well. There's some other little bits of paper it didn't pick up. Yeah, I don't know, but the floors definitely feel cleaner. Like that mopping thing, it was pretty good. I mean, it's not as good as our Shark steam mop. That thing is amazing. Or our Shark Apex vacuum. That thing is just incredible too. I mean, it's a lot of suction power, easy to maneuver. But I think for daily cleaning, this would be great. I think like every day, if you ran it, I think the biggest problem is it does the mopping and the vacuuming at the same time. And I think the mopping causing the floor to get wet just kind of keeps things like hair stuck to the ground. Now, the other thing the instructions don't show you is on the bottom, there's this is basically the carpet beater. It's not really, so I don't think this is really good for carpets at all. It's just kind of like, this thing is just to, really just for hardwood floors, I think. But there's just a ton of hair kind of stuck inside, and now you can see like how it's just trapped along the sides. I don't know if it's really good at doing hair, but like here it looks pretty disgusting. Down there, you can't really see with that, but that's all where the mop cleaning stuff is, and it's just like full on hair down there. It is pretty gross, and I don't know how they expect people to clean it out. I think this comes out. I don't know. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, nasty. Oh my god. So yeah, not a very good job of self-cleaning. You are going to have to do some cleaning in this area, but overall I'm pretty impressed by it. Just for like laminate hardwood floor type stuff, I wouldn't trust it with carpet cleaning. And really you should do it in a manually do it 2 phases. One where you run the self-cleaning program just in vacuum mode every day, and then once a week you do the steam or the mopping function. But yeah, overall looks pretty good. Here's the top part open, and on the sides there's this thing. It's like a collision sensor. But yeah, the instructions aren't very clear about how to take apart this stuff. I just kind of have to figure this out. Here's this thing is kind of like the little it holds all the debris from this thing. So anyways,